Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us for the next milestone in White Sox history. Today, the Chicago White Sox immortalize a true competitor who represents the passion and pride of the Chicago White Sox.
Today we recognize one of the most competitive, yet team players in White Sox history.
When you look up makeup of a baseball player, it should be Mark Buehrle in the dictionary.
First off, I'd like to see Jamie, Braden, and Brooklyn. Can you guys come up here, please? They've been by my side from day one, so I don't want to change that up and have them sitting over there. They need to be here by my side. You guys, the fans, you guys have been so good to me. I spent a third of my life here. Nowhere else I'd rather spend it than here on the south side of Chicago.
The moment we've been waiting for. It's time to retire number 56.
3,